Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I will show you how to make friendship bracelet using thread. Firstly, you will need thread of your choice. You can choose any 3 colors you want. You also need a pair of scissors and some tape. Next, take the thread and thicken it a bit. Then place them down like so. Your thread should be longer than the size of your wrist. Then, to make the ends equal, you have to cut them with the scissor. Then, take one end of the thread and tie it into a knot. It is much better and easier if you tie it around your finger. It's easier to work. It should look something like this. Then take some tape and secure it. After that, split the thread into 3 halves. This step is quite easy as it's exactly like braiding. Cross the leftmost section over the middle section, then cross the right section over the middle section. Repeat the process. It should look something like this. Peel off the tape and then take one end and tie it into a knot. Like this. And then take the end once again and pass it through the loop. It should look something like this. Repeat the process once again. And then finally, to secure the bracelet in place, tie a knot again. This will allow you to tighten and loosen the braid however you like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. See you all later.